front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Sound and Vibration. Now you can mute your device fully, leaving only vibrations by hitting Vibrate. Then, if you want to enable haptic feedback for incoming calls when your device is not muted, hit Ring on the left and use this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to switch it on or turn it off. When you're done, scroll all the way down to hit Haptics. Then use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for system controls and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!